Here I have Motorola Moto G72, and today I'm going to show you how to take a burst shot or the series of photos on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to open camera, and when you adjust a normal photo mode, what you have to do is to hold down shutter button, and after that the burst shot starts. So as you can see right now I'm taking a burst shot. So by going to gallery you can just review all these shots, select the one that fits you best and delete the ones you don't need. So yeah, that's how it works. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.